A few days ago, I received a unit from Leeventi, and they make teleprompters. This is the very first time I use a teleprompter to make my YouTube video. And I am going to do the unbox, assembly of the unit, and finally, I do a review of the unit. The teleprompter comes in a small blue package. Once I opened it, there's a small plastic bag with accessories and screws, and there are two black plastic frames for the teleprompter. Inside this accessory bag, there's a mount for the cell phone and some other screws for holding the frame together. There's a Bluetooth game controller which allows me to remotely scroll the PowerPoint or the document. These two plastic pieces are the shelves for the teleprompter. There are two plastic sheets. They are thin, and those are the reflectors, and one is the spare. I have to remove the protective films on both sides of the plastic. Otherwise, it will be too thick for it to be slided into the slot on the frame. There's a hole on this bottom piece, which is used for mounting the tripod. Therefore, once you insert this piece onto the frame, please pay attention to the direction where it is being inserted in. Inside the plastic bag, there are screws which you can use it to secure the shelves as shown here. Similarly, you can install the top shelf. Now you can remove the protective covers on the reflective sheet. Please pay attention not to scratch the sheet while you slide that into the frame. You have completed the assembly of the teleprompter. If you plan to use a cell phone, there's a phone holder which you can mount it as shown here. Please note, the hole I used to mount the camera holder is the one offset from the center. I want to align the camera on my phone along the center line of the teleprompter. But I couldn't do it because the phone holder will push onto the buttons on the phone. To fix this problem, I have to shift the phone to one side. And now the camera is no longer aiming at the center of the reflective screen. I plan to drill another hole further to the side so that I can use my phone and have the camera aiming at the center. Another option is to have the camera set vertically and still using that phone holder. Now the camera is aligned to the center line of the teleprompter. However, it is not very stable, and I almost dropped my phone onto the floor. I have no problem mounting different cameras to this teleprompter. In the package, there's a card with a code which allows me to use the web-based software for 1 year. Once you get to the web page, you can log in with the purchase code. Here I can adjust the mirroring of the text, or I can adjust the font sizes. And the audio input is on. I can adjust the scroll speed. I cut and paste this document. I can click on this button and automatically transfer the text I saved on the clipboard to the display here. Very likely I have to do a mirror of the text. Now I start talking, it tracks my voice and scroll the display accordingly. I can adjust the speed here. I can adjust the speed to the way I talk. And I can clear all the text by this button. There's a Bluetooth remote control in the package, and you can charge it with a USB cable, which is not provided. And you can push the button left and right and manually scroll the pages. There's also an Android app. Apparently the code provided in this package doesn't work on this app, and I have to do a subscription in order to use it. This is a premium version software. I don't plan to subscribe to this software, therefore I didn't try it or test it. This is the demo on how I actually use it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The good thing about this teleprompter is it uses web-based software, and the voice tracking is very well, as you can see here. If I want to use bullet points, I can use the mouse to scroll up and down to control the slide. Since this is web-based software, I can use it on many different systems. One unknown is the license lasts only 1 year, and how much will it cost me to renew the license. Another thing is I cannot save the document. I prefer importing the document into the application than doing cut and paste. Since this is a web-based software, without internet, I cannot use it. That means if I go camping, I may not be able to use it. They have a Android premium version application, which may allow me to use it without internet. However, the subscription is $3.49 each month. It's a kind of expensive for me. Overall, it's a good teleprompter for the price. I will look for third-party teleprompter apps so that I can use it even though I don't have internet access. Thanks for watching. And I have many other interesting videos. You may click here and see how I build my foldable bowls. Hope you will enjoy it too. Thanks for watching. Bye.